Design used to live on one computer, one file, one designer. Today, it lives in the browser, shared, edited in real time, collaborative. And at the center of that shift is Figma Inc. But here's the investor question. If Figma trades publicly, is it a generational growth stock? Or is the hype already priced in? Let's break it down. The business model Figma is cloud-native design software. Its core products: interface design, prototyping, real-time collaboration, developer handoff tools. Unlike older design tools, Figma runs entirely in the browser. No heavy downloads, no file version chaos. Its revenue model is SaaS monthly or annual subscriptions per seat. That means recurring revenue, high gross margins, strong operating leverage at scale, and its adoption spreads virally within companies. One designer joins, then the entire product team follows. The Adobe deal that changed everything. In 2022, something massive happened. Adobe Inc. announced it would acquire Figma for $20 billion. It shocked the market. Why? Because Figma was competing directly with Adobe's flagship design products. But regulators pushed back. By 2023, the deal was terminated after antitrust scrutiny in Europe and the UK. The result? Figma stayed independent and gained global attention. Now, many investors expect a future IPO. Growth potential Figma sits at the intersection of cloud computing, remote collaboration, digital product design, AI-assisted creation. Every company building apps, websites, or digital services needs design tools. And software development is expanding globally. If Figma continues to expand enterprise adoption, add AI-powered design tools, increase pricing power, grow internationally, it could evolve into a multi-billion-dollar revenue platform. Its biggest strength? It isn't just a design tool. It's a collaboration ecosystem. The competitive landscape competition still matters. Adobe remains a powerful rival. Startups are entering the space, and big tech companies could integrate design tools into broader productivity suites. But Figma has strong brand loyalty, deep integration into product teams, high switching costs once adopted. Design workflows are sticky. Once a company standardizes on one tool, it rarely switches. Risks to watch: high valuation expectations if IPO'd, competitive response from Adobe, slowing tech hiring cycles, AI disruption, changing design workflows. If the broader tech market slows, software spending can tighten. And as a premium SaaS company, valuation discipline will matter. Growth alone isn't enough. Profitability trajectory matters too. If Figma goes public, it will likely be priced as a high-growth SaaS leader. The bull case: it becomes the standard operating system for product design. The bear case: growth slows and valuation compresses. But one thing is clear: Figma changed how design works. And in tech, infrastructure-like platforms tend to endure. Would you invest in Figma at IPO? Or wait for volatility? Comment below. Subscribe for more deep stock breakdowns.